Okay, everyone. If I sound like I've been beat down, it's because that's how I feel. It's been a stressful day. A lot of pressure, trying to get some deadlines met for the live event coming up. We're coming down to the wire there, so I've just been trying to go in way too many directions today and trade. Not a very good idea. Maybe once I get free from the markets today, take a break. I'll fill you in on a little bit of what happened today, and also really what I've learned just as far as trading goes. This is going to be really short and sweet, so hang on to your hats. We've got two patterns here. Flag pattern. This is on the daily bar. Flag pattern's kind of messy, but this is what I would expect given the volatility and lack of overall direction. Pennant pattern, or triangle pattern rather, here on the broader move, both of them pointing to compression. You can see the market is just going down into this little pinch here. This is what will cause the volatile move one way or the other, because you have the buyers pushing the market up, the sellers pushing the market down. Both of them, at this point, they're right. Whichever way the market goes, we will definitely have opportunities to get in. Once the market breaks down, I'll anticipate a flag or pennant pattern coming back into this area. If the market does manage to break up, I would anticipate a flag pattern coming back down into this area here. So either way, I'm not concerned about missing out on the bigger move, mostly because if there is a bigger move on the upside, you're going to see this thing come up back in here at about 12 cents to 12. If it does break to the downside, really at that point, let me get this back to automatic. All bets are off. You've got one area of support down here. This is about 9,700. If it breaks through there, folks, you're talking about all the way back down here into the 18s, and from there all the way back down here. So you've got three main areas: 9,700. 8,500, and then all the way down to 7,500. So a lot of room here. I'm not worried in the least about giving up on any opportunity. And that's another thing you have to consider. And again, I said I was going to sound like a broken record. I'm going to fulfill that promise here. We are in an unprecedented time. Never in recent history has there been a full-out bank failure in the United Kingdom on top of major credit problems, folks. I mean, listen, banks all over the U.S., all over the U.K. are in serious trouble here because of this housing market. Mortgage companies are going out of business. Mortgage salespeople are going out of business. There's all sorts of inventory on the market. The United States just had to pass a tax relief law to help people out that are heading into foreclosure. Record foreclosures all over the place. Inventory is sitting on the market. It's just an unprecedented time. So don't think that you can trade this market like you traded the market, say, 6 months ago or 8 months ago. We have to continually remind ourselves of that and keep that in the forefront of our minds, that everything has changed as when it comes to how the market is behaving. What doesn't change, though, are the practical tactics that we can use in order to take advantage of them. Let's go ahead and go down to an intraday look here. For those of you that are looking for intraday or non-autopilot types of trades, I still am not convinced on setting an autopilot trade, so I'm not looking at that right now. This is still the area that I'm looking for selling it, anywhere along these last highs, which is going to be really from about 418 up to about 450, 460 area, and then looking to go long down in the 304 to about the 264 area. And you might want to pause this and rewind this. I told you I was going to go fast and furious. If you need to review this, go to Disc 5 where I go over counter trend trades. Lots of counter trend opportunities coming in this flag pattern / trading lane, which is formed, which means I'd be looking to buy down here, looking to sell up here. You've got to be careful though, because we can still break out. Remember, we've got 1, 2, 3 bottoms down here. We've got 1, 2, 3, now working on a fourth top up here. Yes, this can continue, but you have to be aware of the risk. This is where a 3-bar reversal comes in handy, also waiting for the little dipper types of entries. So that's it for tonight. Like I said, it's been a real pressure cooker of a day. I need to go take a break and unwind, get some of this pent-up energy out of me. So with that, I will bid you good night. Hope you had a profitable day. God bless you.